Imagine being the kind of HR manager who not only keeps the organization running smoothly, but also drives its growth and success. That's the potential we aim to unlock with this course. Many HR managers find themselves overwhelmed by administrative tasks, struggling to balance compliance requirements with strategic initiatives. This can lead to missed opportunities for talent development, employee engagement, and organizational improvement. Individual HR managers often feel caught between employee advocacy and business needs, unsure how to effectively balance these competing demands. Teams may suffer from unclear direction and lack of strategic HR support. Our Skills for Human Resources Manager training course is designed to equip you with the comprehensive skill set needed to excel in modern HR management. We blend strategic thinking with practical skills to help you become an invaluable asset to your organization. Through this course, you'll develop proficiency in areas such as strategic workforce planning, talent management, employee relations, organizational development, and HR analytics. You'll also hone your leadership and communication skills to effectively influence at all levels of the organization. Organizations with skilled HR managers often see improvements in employee satisfaction, reduced turnover, and increased productivity. They're better equipped to navigate change and drive innovation through effective people management. For HR professionals, this course can be a significant career booster. Participants often find themselves taking on more strategic roles and having greater impact on organizational decision-making. Employees benefit from more effective HR practices that support their growth and engagement. Don't let skill gaps limit your potential as an HR manager. Enroll in our course today and transform yourself into a strategic HR leader. In an era where human capital is a key differentiator, your ability to effectively manage and develop your organization's people resources can make all the difference.